Alaska Airlines Flight 261, January 31st, 2000. Plane McDonnell Douglas MD-83, serial number 53077, manufactured in 1992 and logged 26,584 flight hours and 14,315 cycles before the crash. Flight 261, manufactured by McDonnell Douglas Series MD-83, crashed into the Pacific Ocean at 2.7 miles of the Anacapa Island. Aircraft lost control at 32,000 feet, and the stabilizer forced the plane to descend to 8,000 feet. At the recovering altitude at 24,000 feet, the stabilizer jammed again and forced the plane to rapid descent into the ocean. A total of 88 people were killed, including 2 pilots and 3 crew members. Horizontal stabilizer was unresponsive. Worn thread acme nut screws needed to be replaced. The FAA didn't fulfill responsibility overseeing maintenance operations, and the jackscrew was not sufficiently lubricated. Captain Ted Thomas, age 53, was an Air Force veteran who had flown for Alaska Airlines for more than 17 years. He had 17,750 flight hours. First Officer William Tansky, age 53, had a record of 8,140 total flight hours. Flight 261, origin flight, left from Gustavo Díaz, Ordaz International Airport, with an intermediate stop at San Francisco International Airport. Destination, Seattle Tacoma International Airport. Aviation safety concepts. The risk analysis and risk management concludes that the human factors are vital towards achieving safety, as it can be concluded that there is human involvement in every aviation accident, as observed in the Swiss cheese model. What caused Flight 261 to lose control? The National Transportation Safety Board determines that the probable cause of this accident was a loss of airplane pitch control, resulting from the in-flight failure of a horizontal stabilizer trim system, jackscrew assembly. The thread failure was caused by excessive wear resulting from Alaska Airlines' insufficient lubrication of the jackscrew assembly. The National Transportation Safety Board recommends establishing lubrication procedures on jackscrew assembly as required in inspection and must be signed off before aircraft is released. Establish an end-plate check for higher than expected wear rates. Review all existing maintenance reports for tasks that could affect critical aircraft components. Conduct systematic reports on the process of manufacturers, recommendations on maintenance changes, and design new aircraft. My thoughts on Flight 261 is that this is 100% human error that resulted in 88 deaths. If the FAA inspectors, mechanics, supervisors didn't oversee this aircraft and took the right safety precautions to keep this aircraft accessible, this would have never happened.
and the
My
FAA's
thoughts on
approval
Flight
of that extension
261
allowed the excessive wear of the
is that this is
Acme
100% human
progressed to
error
failure
that
without the
resulted
opportunity
in
for
88
detection.
deaths. If the FAA inspectors, mechanics, supervisor didn't oversee this aircraft until